acampamento só deixou as roupas do varal, os limão do quintal e a pasta impermeável com os documentos. Eu disse à filha como é que vai ser, ela disse não sei o que fazer. Vem pra cá, bota ela no avião, que eu durmo no chão. Fica calma, não tem pressa, tudo vai se resolver. Quando eu vi no aeroporto.
Today I find like I'm running a restaurant, taking orders like what would you like, chicken, beef? My husband would like the chicken, it's leftover cooked chicken, and I would like to have the beef. So I'm prepping the chilies and the garlic to pound it with the pestle in a mortar. So yeah, it's not going to be pasty, so just crush it a little bit like this. Here are the seasonings that I'll be using today. It's my norm, you know, all these fish sauce, black soy sauce, and thin soy sauce, and the star of the show is oyster sauce. Yeah, if you don't have oyster sauce, yeah, you gotta get them. It's really easy accessible right now. So I use avocado oil, and yeah, it's gonna be a Thai, spicy Thai sweet basil with beef. So yeah, it's actually very easy, and it's up to you how much chilies you put in there, and just take it as a guidance. Just take my cooking as a guidance, you know, and then you can add whatever you prefer. You want it more sweet, more salty. Yeah, so again, it's your preference, but this is really a tasty dish and easy dish to whip up for lunch or dinner.
Sentou-se na mesa, olhou para mim com a cara surpresa. E o café tá saindo, madame, com pãozinho e salame. Amanhã você se serve, pega o que quiser. A noite caiu e tomando meu vinho, fez do meu ouvido um grande pinico. É um pajé, uma longa lição sobre democracia. Enquanto isso eu pensava, por que não divide a vida?
Good afternoon, let's eat, folks. Oh, look at this yummy dish. I just can't believe how easy and simple this is, and it's just tasty. Again, it's all up to you. It's all up to your preference, how spicy you like it and all that, and how much herbs, what kind of protein, you know, all that good stuff. Just, yeah. Okay, let's not have a big of a bite. Just slowly eat. Let's just sit down. Everyone's fed, and now it's my turn just to relax and have my meal in peace. The sun was out this morning and now it's gloomy.
Quando eu vi no aeroporto, no seu rosto desgosto. Será que é pra mim? Não vou me precipitar. Paciência é uma ciência, o tempo.
I kind of spill my tea as usual. Just regular milk tea and a biscuit, Biscoff. I think it's Biscoff. Yeah. I think these are like peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. It's almost August, folks. It went fast, didn't it? So, that's good tea. Just regular tea is also good. Anywho, after lunch, I will have to like kind of, you know, those dishes over there in the back. Yeah, I got them from my sister. So that's like almost a week ago. And it's still there. So I'm gonna put those away and just start kind of like, yeah, arranging things again. And after that, I'm gonna read. What want to sit back and read. I haven't been reading like an actual book, so I usually am on my computer, and I have the Kindle app on my computer and on my phone, and I just read it from there. But to actually hold a physical book in your hand, it's like the best thing. The best feeling to sit and relax after a day's work, you know. Each day I clean up as I go. I don't wait for a specific day to clean up, maybe like the garage on a Friday so that my husband and I can work together. And so yeah, those things. So it's easy, as my house is not that big. My place, it's called a pod, so it's not that big, and you know, if you leave it messy, you're gonna take longer to clean your house. So I clean as I go every day, you know. Yeah, so that works the best for me. Okay, get back to work. If I don't see you tomorrow in August, that means it would be later. So August is pretty a busy month for us. It's busier than other months. It's like going back, you know, back to school for my daughter, and just a lot of things happening. So getting ready for everything that's, you know, going into fall. So yeah, fall. But I find like the best fall decor and everything is like Hobby Lobby. I don't know about you, but Hobby Lobby overwhelms me. Just a lot of stuff to choose from, and then I end up not coming out with anything, and or I come out with a lot of things, and then when I get back home I'm like, no. I shall leave you here, and thank you again for tuning in with me and just like spending the day with me in the kitchen and just my little garden corner, you know. And so yeah, I appreciate that, and I appreciate every comment. I appreciate your visit and the comments that you leave. I hope to see you again next time. Bye.